You are a God who does wonderful things. You have revealed your great power to people. Psalm 77 verse 14. 1. Sky element Job, do you know the laws of the sky? Can you apply the same laws to the earth? Job chapter 38 verse 33. Sky is the infinity that maintains our physical balance. It is from this that words and speech are produced in our body. It is black in color. In the position of the body it is called the head. Sky element is the base of our desires and emotions. 2. Earth element Job, when the sea came out of the womb of the earth, who closed the door and stopped it? Job chapter 38 verse 8. Earth is the skin and cells of our body that form the outer structure of our body in the form in which others see us. It also represents the weight of our body. It is yellow in color. The smell of our body is determined by the earth element and it also controls the ego within us. Its place in the body is between the thighs. 3. Water element. I have bound the sea and let it out through the closed door. Job 38, 10. Water represents every substance present in our body which gives coldness. It creates contraction in our body and its place in the body is through the feet. Its color is white. The power to taste anything in our body comes from the water element. It symbolizes intelligence in us. 4. Air element Shloka. Job, have you ever been to the place where the sun rises? Have you ever been to the place from where the east wind blows all over the world? Job 38, 24. It symbolizes mobility in our body which creates movement or velocity in our body. Its place in the body is from the navel and its color is blue or brown. The nature of air is uncertain and the power of touch and its feeling in our body comes from the air element only. 5. The element of fire. 21. Humans cannot see the sun. When the wind blows away the clouds, it appears very bright and dazzling. 22. And so is God. God's golden light shines from the southern mountains. God has a halo around him. Job 37, 21-22. Fire is the energy in our bodies that helps our bodies run smoothly. Its location in the body is from the shoulders and its color is red. The power of sight in the body develops from the element of fire and it also plays a role in the formation of our discernment. Job, can you bind ants? Can you untie the deer? Job, can you bring the zodiac to the sky at the right time? Or can you guide the 7 wise men with their groups? Job, do you know the laws of heaven? Can you apply those same laws to the earth? Job, can you call the clouds and make them rain? Can you command the lightning to come to you? We have come. What is the command? Will it go where you want according to your word? Job chapter 38 verses 31-35. I have been signed a contract to appoint a preacher, apostle and pastor, a teacher of Bible education and gospel in each ward and each section and to provide administrative Bible education in the districts under the government jurisdiction in the Greater Mumbai area. For more information, contact Maryland 9699933054.